How to exchange an item at a store in Lululemon. Hi everybody, in today's video, we are going to provide you with some steps you can follow up if you want to exchange an item in the store at Lululemon. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, you need to take the item that you want to exchange to any Lululemon retail store. And you need to bring a proof of purchase, such as receipt, order confirmation email, gift received, purchase history in your Lululemon account, and that will help the store to verify the purchase. And make sure that the item meets the exchange conditions. Usually the item must be unworn or unwashed, hand tags attached, and invoice the conditions, and you can choose the replacement item after that and just go over and use it and pick up a different product. And if the new item costs more, you may pay the price difference, and costless, you may receive a refund or store credit as well. Exchanges normally follow the 30-day return window from the purchase of delivery date. If you bought the item online, you can still exchange it in a physical Lululemon store as long as you bring the order confirmation, and that way you should be able to do it. And that's it. You can check out their website for all the criteria and the requirements if you want to exchange within their store at Lululemon. You can even look out for the contact or help center that will help you with additional help, anything that is required for you. And that's it, everybody. You may follow those methods. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.